Hey Vicki, Dean Lanton coming to you at Hoover, Alabama, in the heart of Alabama, at Tameron Hyundai. This is the very Santa Fe Sport that you inquired about. Beautiful black with a gray interior. It's perforated leather, heated and cooled seats. You've got your perimeter keys, so it's easy to get in and out of and lock up easily. The features on this come with a panoramic sunroof. You've got all the features at your hands. You've got the heated and cool seats, the park assistance, cameras all the way around you. The vehicle's got so many things, it's hard to list and show everything in this short video, but the most important thing is the warranty on this. It's America's best 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty with a 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which here at Tameron, we exclusively double to 20 years, 200,000 mile warranty at no cost to yourself. Come see me. We are in the middle of a Memorial Day sale. Incentives like crazy. Come see me, Dean Lanton. I'm at 205-380-6250. You have a great day.